Okay, so here we go. First, I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Justin. And again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. Point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company, get you some more exposure on Google, bring in some more traffic, create some leads, and increase sales. Now, a few things that you need to know about a website. You definitely need content, backlinks, and citation. Now, to keep it kind of on the basic side, I know it may be a little redundant, you may or may not know, so I'll just start with this. Anytime you type something into Google right here, these are considered keywords, anything in the search bar. And Google uses those words to find the best website that fits the search criteria, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keyword or words that are getting typed in here, and then Google will categorize those websites based on their content, and that is how you establish rank. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So you're out of Robeson County, so I typed in Robeson County here. Got a couple different examples to show you. So, of course, we have ads. Of course, this is the map section, or also the map pack is what it's known as. This is directly related to your Google business profile, the area of coverage that you want to cover, and the citations that are connected to you. Citations are name, address, and phone number that directly reflect your business profile. And it's important to have those. That is how the rank structure happens here. With a local map section, it creates a lot of local traffic, and then, of course, will create more leads and become more sales. Once Google starts to see your business being referred more often than your competitors, the more likely you are, obviously, to bring value, and they'll start to move you up the rank structure. Now, understand everything under the map is organic ranking. This is how companies get on the first page of Google. Aside from Yelp, that doesn't count. Yelp, we do have Ricky Morgan Plumbing here. We got an Angie. We got a Top Certified Plumbers. We got a Roto-Rooter, a Yellow Pages, a Home Advisor. So I didn't necessarily choose anything from here, but on your website it did say that, let's see, we got serving Fayetteville and surrounding areas. So I also went and typed in plumber in Fayetteville. Same situation, the map area. You come on down, and aside from Yelp and top plumbing services, I got this guy here, Fayetteville Plumber Mike. So I took his website, put it up here at the top right next to you. So I have your website, and I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs shows me what's going on behind the scenes with the website and how strong it is and why or where it ranks. Now, I did say backlinks are important. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. It builds the rank structure. Not all backlinks are created equal. You need to keep that in mind. A referring link from the Pizza Hut or an ice cream place down the road doesn't have as much strength and weight behind it as another plumbing company does, referring back to you. So you do want to keep that in mind. And you do want a backlink that has a strong referring domain and plenty of traffic. I'm sorry to say that that is not here. If we take a look at Mr. Mike's Plumbing and we jump in over here and look at him, you can see he has 29 backlinks, strong domain rank with traffic. This is what you want. This is help. This is what builds the rank structure. It's endorsement from other companies to you. He has 18 referring domains from that, and he's got 43 keywords. This is where the content and the keywords come in. So when people are typing in the search bar of Google, plumber near me, plumber in Fayetteville, for the 43 words he's using, he's getting 340 views per month off of that. So let's take a look at this, just to give you an idea. So per month, this is the amount of volume that these particular keywords get searched. Plumbers, Fayetteville, 450. Plumber, Fayetteville, 400. Plumbers in Fayetteville, 250. Plumber, Fayetteville, 250. Fayetteville plumber is 250. Fayetteville plumber, 250. Plumber. So there's a real play on words here. You can understand collectively when this all adds up per month, that generates a lot of exposure to your site for people that are looking for services that they're typing in. Now, you can have the same backlinks he does and then some. He's got 29, you want 52, just for example. He's got 43 keywords, you want 100. He's got 18 domains, you want 45. All of this is completely obtainable to you to help your website rank and move on the first page of Google and generate more leads and get you exposed. Some other key factors that you might want to think about, or this is some little things that I like to show. That is not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's do this. I apologize to that. All right, so another thing you want to think about is images. A lot of people don't know this. This is just a picture. That is not correct. Images should be saved to you within your website with the right name. I will do the same thing here and show this. Same save image, Mike's Plumbing Team. So even the little pictures, every little detail into a website creates more endorsement and more recognition through Google and moves you up the rank structure and generates exposure. It's really important to have a well-built website and bring all these things together: content, backlinks, citations, Google Business Profile, the area coverage that you cover. And once Google sees that, they'll just move you right up front and you're going to generate a lot of exposure. You're going to generate more leads, and then that becomes clients and that becomes sales. Not everybody knows this. You may or may not already know this. I figured I'd just reach out, try to help here. With that being said, hope you have more of an understanding of what goes on. Completely sorry about that, but I am not going to stop recording. So, yeah, with that being said, I hope you can understand a little bit better. It's important to have a well-built website. If there was anything that you needed or you wanted to talk about, feel free to reach out. Thanks again. Have a nice day.